Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to decompress the pseudopotential folders for vasp. So we first go to the terminal, and then we go to the folder that contains the pseudopotential files, and then first we need to make directories in the targeted folder. And for example, we want to create this LDA folder. Okay, and you see that it is added here, and then we use tar cxvf port LDA, and we need to put it into the directory that we just created. So copy it from here, and remember, in Ubuntu, if you want to copy, it's Ctrl+Shift+C, and if you want to paste, Ctrl+Shift+V. Okay, and you see that it is indeed everything is inside, and you see there's a lock here, which means that the permission is limited, and we'll change that afterwards. And then we want to also make a directory for GGA, and then to decompress GGA, okay, and now maybe PBE. So PBE should be the most useful one usually. PBE.54 and PBE. Okay, and you see that now everything's here. It is a little bit inconvenient for this kind of permission, so what you can do is to right-click Properties and Permissions, change permissions for enclosed files, and then always read and write for everyone. Yeah, and then you see that the lock is gone, and we also do it for the others. Change permissions for enclosed files, create and delete files, and for this one as well. Okay, yeah, and then you see that everything inside is without lock. And so before the calculation, you need to choose which kind of pseudopotential file that you use, or different functionals. If you use LDA functional, you need to use everything in this folder. If you use GGA, probably here. And if you use the specific version that is PBE, you need to use everything in this folder. And this is the most frequently used ones in solid-state physics, probably. And you can see that everything is sorted with respect to the elements, and for each element, for example, you have different versions of the pseudopotential. Those without anything after the name of the element is the standard one, which is usually recommended to be used. But you have also some other specific types. For example, H means hard, and S means soft. You have different precisions, for example, and this for GW calculations. And here you have different valence electrons, and yeah, which I will cover later. But so now you just have to know that usually you use the one that is only with the name of the element, and within that folder you will find the pod car. Yeah, this is the important thing. Okay, so I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.